Here's how to share your screen on FaceTime. Now first head into the settings, scroll down to the bottom, tap on apps, and we need to get to your FaceTime settings. So tap on, there it is, FaceTime. We need to make sure Share Play is turned on because potentially when you're sharing your screen, maybe you wanted to watch the same TV show or listen to the same music, all of that stuff. I would highly recommend scrolling down from here, tapping on Share Play, and turning this on. Now, after you've done that, we can initiate that screen sharing. So let's hop out of here, swipe over, and in the app library, let's search for FaceTime. Now, once we're in FaceTime, we're going to go through the process of making that call. Keep in mind, you need to be on a FaceTime call for this to work. So I'm going to hit New Call, and I'm just going to call Haley in this instance. So you'll be able to see, all right, there is that FaceTime, and let's wait for her to see if she picks up. After she does pick up, you'll be able to see, all right, now she is picked up. You'll be able to see I'm just doing a normal FaceTime call where we talk and we can see each other. If I want her to see my screen, I'm going to tap on those three dots and then hit Share Screen. And then I'm going to hit Share My Screen. Now keep in mind, after I've done that, she can see my screen. So if I hop out of here, you'll be able to see at the top left is a little video of her from her camera. And if I go into anything like my photos or the App Store, she'll be able to see all of that. And I can know that she's seeing it because there's two squares at the top left. If I swipe down to the control center, you'll be able to see here it says FaceTime and it's using the camera and microphone. Now it's pretty easy to get out of here and stop it. All we need to do is go back into FaceTime here. And then you can see at the top it says viewing your screen. Let's just hit the stop button. And now it'll just go back to a normal FaceTime call. And if you're ready, you can hit the X and just hang up that FaceTime call and you're good to go.